Welcome back to Tuesday Chiquito. Today I will show you how I made these super easy Christmas ornaments. For this first ornament, I added glue to the top half of the cone and then dip it in the snow confetti. I use a glue dot to stick the dry oranges and then fill them in my clear baubles. And added a gold ribbon. For the next one, with a clear varnish, I drew different curves on the top of my ornament and added some glitter. Then I painted it with an acrylic green color. Let it dry and added a ribbon. Using the same varnish, I drew vertical lines on both halves of my ornament. The lines don't need to be perfect. Added the snow confetti and swirled it around and took off the excess. And a third ornament is ready. Very simple. On this ornament I drew dots with the varnish. Added some glitter and swirled it around and let it dry. Later, I painted with black acrylic color and it's done. And for the last one, I cut 2 small pieces of paper to write a message. And I used these tiny clips to attach them. Added some snow confetti and placed my card inside my ornament. To seal all the ornaments, I used varnish. And there you have it. Don't forget, we upload a video every Tuesday and Friday. We are Minimal Momento. Hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss any video. Like the video and share it. No te olvides que subimos un video cada martes y viernes. Somos Minimal Momento. Presiona el botón suscribirte y la campanita de notificación para que no te pierdas un video. Dale te gusta y compártelo.